Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I am going to teach you how you can check how many phone numbers are linked to your Aadhar card. But before dive into the video, if you are new here, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in this channel I am going to upload informative videos. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search TAFCOP. Click on first link and it will be redirect you the government website. You can see here this is a Indian government website. In this website you can check how many phone numbers are linked to your Aadhar card. Next you can next you can type your number here. Next type captcha and now you can click on validate captcha and it will be send OTP on your phone. So click on OK and type your OTP and click on login. Now it will be redirect you in this page and in this page you can see list of phone number which is linked to your Aadhar card. So in my case only one phone number is linked with my Aadhar card. In your case this one or more numbers are linked with your Aadhar card. If you see any unknown number which is linked to your Aadhar card, you can click here not my number and you can remove that number. You can see here it will be give me the count how many phone numbers are linked with your Aadhar card. So it's one. So in this way you can check how many phone numbers are linked to your Aadhar card. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends and others and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Stay safe and stay informated.